So this video is about happy number, unhappy number, sad number. The happy number can be defined as a number which will yield 1 when it is replaced by the sum of the square of the digits repeatedly. If the process loops endlessly in a cycle that does not include 1, then the number is called unhappy or sad number. In other words, those numbers which does not end with 1 in the above process are unhappy numbers or sad numbers. So in this video, just see the example first. So that is the happy number. Okay, so see, if I input 49, okay, then first 4 square equals 16 and second number 9 square equals 81. So total is 97 again. So 16 plus 81, 97. Now you have to square the 9 and 7 separately. So 9 square becomes 81, 7 square becomes 49. Then add 81 plus 49 equals 130. Now 1 square plus 3 square plus 0 square. 1 square 1, 3 square 9 and 0 square 0. The number will be 10. Now 1 square and 0 square. Finally, I will get a single digit number, that is 1. That's why the 49 is known as a happy number. See here, if you accept 4, then first I have to square the digit, that is, then I get 16. Now 16 square, 1 square plus 6 square equals 37. Okay, now 37. 3 square plus 7 square equals 58. Then 5 square plus 8 square equals 89. 8 square plus 9 square equals 145. 145. 1 square plus 4 square plus 5 square equals 42. 42 equals 4 square plus 2 square, that is 20. Then 20 square equals 2 square plus 0 square. I will get 4, a single digit number. That's why the number 4 is known as an unhappy number. So which steps I have to do? First, accept the number from user, which, okay, just I will go for non-normal steps. First, accept the number. Okay, next, make a copy of that number. Then create a for loop with condition true. Inside of the for loop, inside of the while loop, separate every digits and square the digit which stored in a sum variable. After that, the sum value will be copied to the copy to the I loop, the digit separation for loop. Okay, yeah, you will be okay, I will explain it clearly. First, in that program, first I accept the number from the user. Okay, I will give clear example. First, accept the number. Okay, then make a copy of that number. Okay, then create a while loop. Inside of the while loop, create a for loop which separate each digit and store the sum with the digit square figure. Okay, you just remember this for loop. Okay, now after this, the summation figure stores into the for loop variable, not I, the for loop variable where I accept sum, means the copy variable. Copy variable must initialize with the sum figure. Okay, so inside of that part, after after the sum is copied into the copy variable, then check the sum or the copy is a single digit number. So how can you check the number is single digit? Just check the number is less than 10. It means it will be a single digit number, and use a break statement. So we are now just exited from the while loop. After exiting from the while loop, just check the sum figure is 1. If it is 1, then you can write it is a happy number, and if it is not, then you write unhappy number or sad number. So what I did in the program, now I explain with the variable name, full program with the variable name. First, accept the number from the user and stored in num. Next, make a copy of that number means I use variable name copy num to copy the value of the user input. Okay, create the while loop with the condition true. Inside of the while loop, create a for loop and separate each digit which I store in a variable named dig and square the dig value which I add with the sum. Sum is used to store to add each digit square value. Next, now reinitialize copy num with the value of sum. If copy num value is less than 10, means the value of copy num is single digit, then use break statement. Finally, so we are now just exited from the while loop which holds the condition true. Now check sum double equals 1. If it is true, then the input number is happy number, else unhappy number. So just create a for loop, create a class which is happy underscore unhappy underscore sad. Okay, in that point happy is an if part and unhappy and sad is the else part. Import java.util. Star semicolon. Okay, so in that area I'll just create public static void main string args now I just write scanner is equals new scanner system dot in. So after that I told just first accept the number from user and stored in num. Okay, so I create so I create int num, another one is sum, another one is copy num, and another one is dig. These 4 variables I used in this program. Okay, I will explain later which variable in use in which work. Next, system dot out dot println enter the number. Next, num equals ac dot next int. So that is the step 1 completed. Next, make a copy of that number means I use variable name copy num to copy the value of the user input. So okay, so in that area I just make a copy, that is copy num equals num. So the copy part is done. Then create a while loop with condition true. Okay, so create a while loop with condition true. Then inside of that create a for loop which extract each digit, that is I equals copy num I greater than 0, I equals I by 10. With that rules you have to create the for loop. Inside of that separate each digit, so each dig equals I mod 10 and add square the digit which stored and see. Inside the while loop create a for loop to separate each digit, that is done, which I stored in a variable dig. Okay, and square the dig value which I add with the sum. So now I use sum equals sum plus dig into dig. So dig into dig means square the digit, square the extract digit. Okay, so after that, now reinitialize copy num with the value of sum. Okay, then transfer copy num equals sum. Now if copy num value is less than copy num less than 10, it means it is a single digit number. Okay, so if the process uses the break statement, it means we are at this location. So now if copy num double equals 1, it will print system.out.println num is a happy number. Num is a unhappy or sad number. So that is the final code. Sorry, that is Java tutorial.star. Now see that part. Variable sum might not have been initialized. Why the statement looks like? Because you can see sum reinitialized with sum. Okay, so what is the initial value of sum? I just declare sum at here with no value. So every time you get a new number and then you need a phrase value in sum. That's why you have to write sum equals 0 at this location. Okay, now check. First I use 49. It will print 49 is a happy number, and if I use 4, it is an unhappy or sad number. So the program is okay. So I just explain a little bit. Here I declare the 4 variables. In that section I accept the number. This is the copy part. Create a while loop with true condition. Initialize the sum variable. In this area I extract each digit which I stored into dig and square the digit value, dig value, and stored into sum. Okay, now I just copy the value of sum into copy num. It means copy num will be reinitialized. Okay, now copy num less than 10. If it is, then it automatically use break statement, and if the process is done, then the copy num may be 1 or maybe a single digit number. So it is 1, then it will print happy number. If it is not 1, means it will be 0 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. It prints unhappy or sad number. So I do with an example of this one. Okay, so see that part. If I use 49, so while will be true, sum equals 0, so I equals 49, where dig equals first get 9, that means 0 plus 9 square. Okay, then I equals I by 10, that means 49 by 10 means 4 greater than 0, yes. Then dig equals I mod 10, that is 4 mod 10, the value dig will be 4. Then sum equals already 9 square and 4 into 4 16, so finally sum equals 97. Then I transfer 97 to copy num. Okay, now if part is true, no, if part is not true, then while loop again execute, and last time sum holds 97, but here sum will be 0. Now see, now I use 97. I equals 97, 97 greater than 0, true. Then dig equals 97 mod 10 will be 7. Then sum equals 0 plus 7 into 7, that means 49. Okay. Then I equals I by 10 means 97 by 10 means you get 9. 9 greater than 0, true. Dig equals I mod 10. 9 mod 10 means dig equals 9. So sum equals, previously it will be 49 plus 9 into 9, 81. So I get sum equals 130. Now I transfer 130 to copy num. Last time copy num will be 97. Now copy num will be 130. So if part is true, copy num 130 ki less than 10. No, it is not possible. Though while loop again processing. Again some values last time 130, but it now again 0. So I equals copy num, that is 130. 130 greater than 0, true. So dig gets 0. Then here 0 plus 0 square, nothing. Then I by 10 means it will be 13. 13 greater than 0, true. Dig get 3. Then sum equals 0 plus 3 square, that is 9. Then 13 by 10, it will be 1. 1 greater than 0, true. So dig equals 1 more 10 means 1. And sum equals already 3 square, that is 9 plus 1. It will be 1. Then final value of sum is 10. Copy num equals 10. Okay. If part again false. Again while loop processing, sum equals 0. Int I equals copy num, that is 10. 10 greater than 0, yes. Dig gets 0. Then 0 plus 0 into 0, it will be sum, value of sum is 0. So in that area I equals I by 10 means I equals 10 by 10. It will get you 0. 0 greater than 0, no. Sorry, I just made a silly mistake. I again use the for loop with the value of 10. I equals copy num, that means the last value is 10. 10 greater than 0, yes. So dig gets 0. Then sum equals 0 plus 0 into 0, it will be 0. Then I equals 10 by 10. The value will be 1. 1 greater than 0, yes. So dig equals 1. Then sum will be 0 plus 1 into 1. Then final value of sum is 1. Now copy num equals sum. So copy num gets the value in 1. 1 less than 10, yes. Now it is used break statement. Finally copy num double equals 1. It is true. Now this line will be if part executed. So it prints it is a happy number. So that is the complete program of happy number and unhappy number as well as sad number. That is the complete. Goodbye.